Can we fix it? I don't know. Wood glue. That's the outside panel. I'll try wood glue. Some people will probably be all fancy and approach this a different way. Wood glue. It's condo land. I didn't show much because dogs bark and hell. A mess. Yeah, some people will just bring this to Mr. Cabinet Door or something. Name your business of choice. Someone have fixed it differently. Hopefully this holds. Hopefully. If not, I don't know. Don't slam doors. Close everything nice. It's cheap stuff. Yeah, hopefully that works. It's like your working area. Junk in the pool. Leaking pool. Mold. Dirty. Painted that too. Didn't that come out cool? That was all black and peeling. Just do a little blend. It's rough, but yeah, just every damn day there's something that explodes here. It's just, if you don't have the equipment or half-ass equipment to patch it back together, you will be so screwed as a person. Nightmare. But yeah, glue your cabinets back together. That's twice now. High quality trash. Finished product. You definitely can tell if it was cracked, but it is solid. You can put extra glue over there. It'll work. No one will notice. This was all pushed out before. Dirty. Didn't even clean it. Use this stuff. It's been working very well on a lot of projects. I was running low. I got more stuff to glue. See, these aren't cracked. These are just cheap cabinets. All these things are particle board on the side. Garbage cabinets, condo land. Look kind of fancy though. Maybe someday someone else will like these. Yeah. Yeah. Any other cracked ones? No. I don't know how that happened. It could have been some slamming. Or just, look at this shit, fitment errors. This place is garbage. That's a good floor. Yeah, I don't know. Good joke.